In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your watch history on TikTok. So if you're watching a video, but for example, you didn't send it to your friend and you want to send them a video, but it's not possible to find it anymore, here's what you need to do. You need to open up TikTok app. Once you have opened up the app, go to your profile, then go to the top right at the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see comment and watch history. From there, click on that and then click on watch history, and then you will see your entire watch history. And then what you need to do is just click on that video and you can share it or do whatever. So basically that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe and comment this video helped you out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to fix it.